Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick disclaimer for this video before you see it. Don't worry, I wasn't screwed over. It was actually my fault. I wasn't originally going to upload this video after the results of the video, but I think you guys should watch it. It's a very interesting video. I think you'll enjoy it. And it was all my fault. I didn't actually look at the pictures before I bought it. It was still a decently good deal, and I'm still happy with everything in hindsight, days after filming this. I'm getting ready to play with it some and trying to make it work some. I've ordered replacement parts for it to make it look nicer, and everything should be good by the end of the next few months anyway. It's going to take a while to finish doing it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hello, I'm Greg Retke of Retke Mods, and it's time for another unboxing video.
Retke Mods.
Okay, so as Brad Pitt would say, what's in the box? Well, what's in the box is a late 2011 MacBook Pro with a 17-inch screen on it. And this was sold to me by Griffin Wright, a good friend of mine and also a fan of the channel. And he gave it to me for a great deal. I bought it from him. It wasn't given to me, but it was a very good deal. Great price for it. It's got a filling GPU in it. He told me that it does sometimes work, and we're going to try to see if it does indeed work. He did say it didn't have any RAM in it, and no hard drive. But he also talked about putting RAM and a hard drive in it, so I don't know if there is RAM and a hard drive in it or not, so we'll find out. But he did say it did boot up sometimes. We'll try to get it to boot up. And what my goal is with this system is to have another Colin Mr. DOS Dude 1 collab with this system, where he'll be showing videos on how he does the Mux hat, and also the Dying Light mod, and the Banana Split, which is another interesting mod for these systems that you guys would probably really like to watch on his channel, and then you can come back to my channel and watch the results. And there's also another possible mod that we're going to do to this once he gets his practice, which I'm not going to reveal to you right now because I don't know if it's going to come to fruition or not. So we're going to just say that's a pipe dream, but who knows, it might happen. So anyway, let's start unboxing. So, with just like every other unboxing video I have, this is going to be shaky and unedited. So we'll just start cutting it open here. Okay. Flap opens up there, and here we go. Oh, this is a pretty nice box. This is an Apple shipping box, it looks like. Oh, this is for a refurb. This this was probably refurbed at one point. He didn't tell me if it had been or not. So the GPU has probably been replaced once before, and this is the box that I guess he shipped it out in, or it came in, or whatever. It's a nice box, so we'll pull it out here. Holds it in nicely. And it's pretty scratched up. But it was a good price, and it's a big old MacBook there. Let's open it up here. Here we go. That is a really nice looking MacBook. There is what looks like a little bit of case damage right here I didn't know about. I don't know if I can fix that. And it does need a new in key, it looks like. Hey, it just turned itself on. So the battery works. It needs a new in key there, but the case itself, other than the bottom, looks pretty decent, and it does look like the GPU is dead. But hey, it did power on. That also means it has RAM in it, and I'm pretty happy. This is going to be a pretty cool mod to do. And look at that, it is huge. I purposely bought this for all those mods, and hey, actually, who knows, it might boot up, but it's got the striping effect, which is usually a GPU problem. It's probably not going to boot up if we try to boot it up. It looks like it's been dropped on the corner a little bit, but like I said, for the price, it's still worth it. So I'll have to buy a new in key, try to straighten the case out some. There's nicks and marks on it, but you know, we've got the battery level indicator here. It's got a pretty good charge on it. And it also looks like it's been dropped on concrete at some point. Oh, come on, Griffin. Anyway, we've got the headphone jack, audio in, 3 USB 2s, Thunderbolt 1, I think, Firewire 800, gigabit Ethernet, and a piece of metal jammed into the MagSafe right there. I'll have to pull that out before I try to plug it in. I'm glad I saw that. Other than that, yeah, it's missing a foot, and it's missing some of the screws in the bottom. Oh, come on, Griffin. But yeah, and there's the super drive there, and it is currently in sleep mode. And we open it up, and there we go again. The top case, other than that area right there, it looks good. That and that keyboard key there. But I'm happy, and I'm looking forward to what the future holds for this system. So, yeah, that's pretty awesome. Anyway, so that's the end of today's video, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, guys, that I am now sponsored by SellYourMac.com, so if you have a MacBook Pro that you'd like to sell, or something Apple related, you can go to SellYourMac.com/RuttKMods, this link right here. It's also in the description. And also, don't forget, I do have a Patreon now if you'd like to support me. The link will be at the end of the video and also down in the description. And yeah, anyway, well, thank you guys for watching, and this has been a RuttKMods video. Hello, I'm Greg Ruttke of RuttKMods, and it's time for another... Yeah, it's really heavy. Yeah.